in my bed, and the angel of music.
Okay, today let's have a quick review of this CD player with Bluetooth and with speaker.
Sing songs in my head, the angel of music.
And it's very easy to control it by the remote control. Also, you can control by the keys on the panel. Next tracker. Next tracker. Previous tracker. And they control the sound. And it have other functions. This is a Bluetooth function. Because it has speaker, so we can play the Bluetooth there. Okay.
I am so thankful for worship playing on Air One. I remember when I first got saved and told.
This is FM radio function, so you can play the FM radio. Press mode again. You have the line function. This line means you need a cable. So this is a very standard 3.5 audio jack cable and have 3.5 jack. So we can connect this one to a more powerful speaker to play the music on a even bigger speaker or the other device you want. And this one need a power supply. Now it's a cable, and it has a wall charger. It's also in the package. To turn off it, we just pull it, so it's turned off. Okay, let me show you another special design of this CD player. Okay, we open it. It has a stand in it. So look at this. This is very special. Okay, so we can screw it in. Okay, and this will make it a stand. Look at this. It's very good for use in home, and it's very nice. And also, it's also wall mounted. We have screws in the package, so you can mount it on the wall.